My today's tutorial is on this Lippen art. It is an upcycle project. I have upcycled an old cardboard and decorated it with air dry clay and glass mirrors. It is Lippen art or mud mirror work. Hi, I'm Shawari from hookdandloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I have upcycled an old cardboard for this project. You can also use MDF board as an alternative, or you can also use wood too. We will add a layer of gesso on top of it. Gesso is actually a primer. I have made this gesso at home using plaster of Paris, white colored acrylic paint, white glue and water. You will get the recipe in my old video, so just check it out. However, you can always buy a gesso from the market or online. So when you have added 2 layers of gesso on top of it, we will just let it dry, and once it's dried up, just draw the outline of the mandala or the design on which you will do the Lippen art. For the Lippen art, we will be using the Fevicryl molded or any air dry clay of your choice. We will take equal quantity of the resin base and the hardener and mix them uniformly until the dough is completely white in color or the mixture is uniform. For mixing, we will use a little bit of talcum powder, and once the dough is ready, we will just take small portions of the clay and we will just roll it into a cylindrical form using a flat cardboard like this. So we are just creating rope-like shape with the clay. Okay, I hope you understood it. And then we will just stick the clay along the border of our rectangle in this manner using the Fevicol. So we will stick the border of clay For that, take small quantity of the clay and roll it out into a rope-like shape using a rectangular piece of cardboard or anything that's flat. Just make sure that you do not press the clay too much, otherwise it will flatten up. And then just take the clay rope along the border of the cardboard using the Fevicol. In this manner, we will complete the entire border. It is actually really easy. A small tip: when you are just rolling your clay, make sure that the clay is not freshly prepared. It should be little bit sturdy, then the effect will be really good and will be easier for you to work with it. So the border is ready. You can use little bit of water in your fingertips for smoothing the surface. Okay, and now we will add the inside border in this manner. See how beautiful it's looking. So we will just straighten it using the clay tool. In the same manner, we will be forming the wire-like shape or rope-like shape of clay, and then we will just stick it along the mandala design in this manner. So in this manner, we will be sticking the clay rope-like shape along the circular design and cut the extra portion and just apply a little bit of water along the joint. Now shape it up using your finger. And finally the outer round. See how easily I am doing this? Lip pen art is really easy. Make sure that the design is uniform, otherwise it will not look good. Cut out the extra portion and just apply a little bit of water on the surface to smoothen it in this manner. We will now be making the inside designs of the mandala. I chose a really easy design. So we will be forming teardrop shaped clay pieces in this manner using the finger and stick it along the design in this manner. See? Take the clay and form a teardrop shape and stick it along the design. We will cut out small rope-like pieces of clay, fold it and then press it at the top portion and stick it along the design. We will give it a dome-like shape using the clay tool and it's ready. Make sure that the space inside the dome-shaped design should be wide enough for placing the glass mirrors. Okay? So take the piece of the clay, fold it and then stick it along the design and give it the shape using the clay tool. We will quickly complete this round and then we will do the corner design of 3 petals. So we will do the detailings. For the petals, make teardrop shaped clay pieces and stick it in this manner. And the central portion, just take the rope-like clay pieces and stick it along the design. You can choose any design of your wish. Make sure that the design is simple because the decoration will be completed with the glass mirrors. So the clay work is nearly done and we will do the detailings and then we will let it dry for at least 3 hours. And when it's dried up, we will start painting on it. I have chosen to paint it completely white, so we will add 2 layers of white colored acrylic paint. You can always add your choice of colors for your lip pen art. We will quickly complete painting it white and then I will meet you at the end of the painting. So the painting is now completed and we will start decorating it with glass pieces. So we will be sticking the glass pieces with the hot glue gun. You can always use Fevicol as an alternative. So this is the last step of the lip pen art. Just take the glass pieces with the hot glue gun. In this manner, it's already looking very beautiful, isn't it? And it's just perfect for your wall decor. You can always gift this to your dear ones, and above all, it's an upcycle project. So it's always the best craft, isn't it? In this way, we will complete our lip pen art. By the way, many of you follow my videos and recreate my crafts and share the pictures with me in my Instagram and Facebook pages. Well, I'm really grateful to you because that really brings a big smile on my face, and please continue to do so. If you recreate this lip pen art, then feel free to share the pics with me in Instagram or Facebook page. The link is in the description box as well as on the top of the screen. Well, my lip pen art is completed, and isn't it looking pretty and classy? Well, it's just perfect. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will just love to make those for you. And thank you and have a great day. Well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.